Bonus round, starting na. 10 minutes. Ten seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Bola pa rin na ang puti.
5 to shoot.
5 seconds to shoot.
5 to shoot.
Shot clock violation. Bola ng itim. Foul. Foul. Number... Rep, ano number?
Ito. 19. 19 yan. 10. 19 yan.
Ay, nakadilaw. 13.
For 3 points, bumawi! Black team leading by 5 points on now. Three points, wala. Nice rebound. What a nice pass. Two points. Pasok. Bumawi ang black team sa bonus round.
20 ah. Wala naman.
Foul. Number 2. And then number 9. Number 9.
Pasok.
Two free throw points for white team.
Ay, pasok
By
ba?
Kosho. Sablay.
Oy.
What a nice follow up there by number 24. What a nice assist kaso sa layup ni Idol. Three points, wala. Rebound by black team. Number 13, drive in. Wala, drive out. Fast break. Foul. Two free throw points for Kosho.
Yung next na ganito yan. Next na.
Isa lang.
Pero, alam mo, isa lang.
Foul.
Diyan ka ba? Ano, nurse ka lang? Wala pang stop? 5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Foul by substitution for black team and white team. Black team leading by 8 points. We still have 4 minutes and 48 seconds left into the game.
Dalawang 2 points lang yung tatlo sa free throw. Yung isang free throw yung kay Tito lang ata. Tapos isang white ball. Shoot na ni Rep eh. Shoot na ni Rep eh. Ayaw kunin. White ball. For 3! Wala.
Wala na ako.
Low. Nice pass from Django, number 2 for 2. What a nice rebound. What a nice driving from Koso for 2 points. Django sinubukan bumawi, ngunit hindi nagwagi. What a nice stop from Koso. Pagka-shoot, nagtali ng sapatos. Ang galing.
Yellow. Sino pa ang Rep?
Kaya na malaki ako.
4.
Unang free throw pasok. Second free throw. Pasok pa din. Pag yun ang abangan yung bola, papasok yan. Arce for 3. Pasok!
Ready to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul ang kulit mo.
Number ano yun? Step. 4. Arte.
Another foul. Wala, dead ball. Three seconds. 3 points. Drive in by Jingo. Nice pass. Supalpal. One more. What a nice layup. What a nice pass. For 2. Nice shoot from number 2. Block team leading by 11 points. They still have 1 minute left to the game. 1 minute and 40 seconds left to the game.
Number 2. Number 2.
2 free throws from my team. Unang free throw wala sa Blay. Wala pa rin yung second free throw. Out of bounds. White ball. Point shot for 3. Wala, ang layo. Out of bounds. Sayang pasang, ganda na sana. Di lang nasaw. Bola ng itim. Out of bounds. Bola ng itim. Wala pa. Chill. Wala pa. Okay, game. What a nice pass. What a nice assist from Jingo. Driving by number 5. Bumawi. Nagwagi. Three points from Jingo. We still have
6 seconds ba?
6. We still have 6 seconds to shoot. Black team leading by 11 points.
Labanan.
Ng buzzer beater. 2, 1. Push shot. Pasok. That's it for our bonus round. Nineteen 3 points. Wala, sablay. 13, what a nice. Ang layo, di pumasok. Nice rebound. Number 20, nice pass. What a nice shoot from plain t-shirt guy. Three points by number 0. Foul. Two free throw for black team. Walang shoot. Pasok. Second shoot. Sablay. Nice rebound. 3 for Jose. Wala. Fast break. Parang easy shoot. Basic na basic. Kaya mag-win daw yan. Out of bounds. Bola ng itim. Foul. Traveling. Aga magbakasyon. Aga mag-travel. 3 points for Jose. Pasok. Nice rebound from black team. Rep, sub, sub, injury sub. Belardo for 3 all the way. Wala. What a nice drive in. What a nice fast break. Black team leading by 5 points. 4-3. Wala. What a nice assist. Hindi magpapatalo ang black team. Sila ang lalamang daw. Oh, what a fake. 5 minutes. Substitution. Black team leading by 5 points. Okay guys, medyo bibilisan lang para umabot tayo sa fourth quarter. Nice pass. Arce driving in. Wala, nag-drive out. For 3. Wala, lumagpas. Isa pa, all the way. Wala pa rin. Oh, what a nice block. Nice. What a nice assist from number 8.
Wala kita ako din. Ito shoot!
Jingle for 2. Lalagpas.
Pass kamay!
Nagpasahan yung bola. For 3.
Rebound by Apostol, pinasa kay number 8. Number 8, pinasa lang sa foul!
May bago ka ano dyan ah. Yung pala eh, siya na lang commentator eh. Mas ano pa eh.
2 free throws para kay number 8. Unang bugso,
Yan, box na yun eh.
counted. Taas ang burat! Nang nakapaul!
Number 4.
Taas ang dalawang paa.
Hindi kaya binababa ang bola. Iniskrin na ni number 4. Pinadrive. Tinira. Foul! Ayoko na.
Eh, kaya tuloy mo na. Yung, 4. Ayo. Kuya, inayawan ka agad.
Foul counted. For 3. Pasok, binawian kagad. Puta. Ang layo ng pasa, sayang. Bola ng White. White leading by 1. Nakahabol na sila. Asa for number 5 all the way. Wala. Number 12, 2 points. Pasok. Dikit ang laban guys, 34-35. Still have 40 seconds left into the game. Drive in, drive through, drive out. Pasok, wala. Pasok from white team. 36-35. What a nice easy 3 points from Team Black. 20 seconds left in the game. Last shot. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it for our... Number 8 for 2 points. Sayang. Two points. Wala. What a clean shot for number 20. Ringless. Parang manok. Boneless.
Third.
Kung nga-abot ko yan. Fourth.
Hindi yung video mo, reporter.
Tama, fourth partner. Ay, medyo.
Shot clock!
Shot clock violation, hindi umabot. Tuloy lang. Nice save.
Yan ginagawa.
Drive in, drive out, drive through. Walang pumasok. Drive in, drive through lang. Foul.
Susunin mo na please.
Nag-castle.
Kinuha mo na.
Patay yung ano niyan eh, patay yung model dati. Tanda na sa model niya.
Shot! Shot! Shot!
What a nice layup from number 13.
Shot! Nanalo na ako. Nanalo na ako.
Three points for 24. Wala. Nice rebound, number 13. Pass break. Drive in. What a nice layup. Walang haharang ang umarang-harang ay sasamain. What a nice team. Okay. 2 points.
Short!
Kosho for 3. Kulang. Kulang sa kain. Nice pass. 35, wala. Rebounded by 13. Bakak mo. Another layup. Kaso sa Mobra. Rebounded by 24. Pasa kay Kosho. Pasok 8. Layup. Niluwa. 13, ang galing! Papa-autograph ako mamaya niya kay Aida. What a nice assist from Kosho, 2 points for white team.
Itong
8. 13 for 3. Wala, ang layo. Rebounded. Oy, pasa kay Kosho. Kosho for 3. Pang! Apakakunat.
3 points, coach.
Hawak ko.
Yan na guys. Drive in. Pang traveling. Ang aga mo magbakasyon na idol. Pasa kay Kosho, babawi, gusto pa yata. Nagugutom pa sa points. Ayan na. Nice pass, Kosho for 3. Wala, kinulang. What a nice pass. Ang galing. Hindi magpapatalo ang Black Team. Substitution din. 13. Pasa kay Kosho. Kosho for 3. Wala, kulang pa din. Pasa sa ilalim, out of bounds. Masusab ba? Stop. Substitution, sumobra tayo sa oras. Okay na. Black team leading by 3 points, 44-47. We still have 4 minutes and 31 seconds left of the game. White ball. Number 5, tumira ng 3. Sumobra. Oy, bilangga, hindi umusog. Nice rebound. Jingle dive in. Wala. Rebound ulit. Jingle for 2. Wala, sumobra. Nice rebound for 24. Pasa. What a nice layup na by number 8. Ang galing ng pase na number 24. Pase sa ilalim. What a nice shot. What a clean shot by number 10. (24 by 3). Wala, sumobra. Nice pass na. Nice rebound. Isa pa. One nice pass. Galing ng ikot ng bola doon. Driving by Reyes. Wala, ayaw sa bola. Nice shot, linis. Lamang na ng 1 point ang white team. Tigit ang laban. Ang ganda ng laban.
Time to shoot.
Time to shoot. 3. Shot clock. Shot clock violation. Sayang. Number 8, pinasa kay 24. Tinira ng 3. Wala, hindi nabunti si Marites. Foul. Bola ng puti. Pinasok, wasok, wala. Bilato for 3. Wala. Jingo. Wala talaga, ayaw talaga ng ring sa bola. Drive in by number 5, Kyle. Number 12. Wala, foul. Still have 1 minute left of the game. 49-50.
Ref, sino ba?
Ayan, si Chata. Ay, si ano, si Reyes 9. Foul. Fast break by Kyle. Hindi ginayan, tangkad daw. Jingle driving. Jingle! Wala pa rin. Ten seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala. Hindi tayo ng Belardo. Tuloy na agad, guys. 6:52 na. So, kailangan natin matapos ng fourth quarter in 8 minutes. May lalaro. Hanggang 7 lang tayo. White team leading by 2 points. 89-51. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Move, move, move. Black ball. The game continues. Drive in, pasa kay 20, 4-2. Jingo driving in. Successful ang driving niya. Kosho, bola. Parang nice step up from Kosho. Jingo, babawi. Pasa kay Reyes. Reyes shoot. Wala, sablay. Rebound by 24, pasa kay Kosho. Kosho drive in. Wala, sablay din. Ball in hand by 13. Pasa kay Jingo. 4-3. Wala. Pass break kay Kosho. Wala, sayang. Parang nice steal. 24, ball in hand. Driving in. Ayan na. Sablay, sayang. Ulit ang black team ng bola. Pasa kay 13. Parang nice pass. Steal from Jingo. Oy. Out of bounds. Bola ng puti. Kosho, ball in hand. Dikit ang laban, all 53. What a nice drive in by Kosho. Pasok. Para kang humaharang ng truck. Court 3. Wala ang taas. Bingo. Okay, kaya. Bingo. Court 3. Wala ang layo. Rebound by Reyes. Another 3. Pinasa kay 8. Rebound by 24. Pasa kay Kosho. Court 3. Wala pa rin. Number 13, drive in. Successful. Nice pass. Jingo, babawi. Wala. Ayaw talaga ng ring. Kaya yung ring ng black team sira. Tinuluwa yung bola. White team leading by 4 points. Kosho for 3, all the way from Barangay 14. Nice pass. Sayang yung drive in. Nice pass, another 13 for 3. Out of bounds. Substitute. 5 minutes into the game. 57-53. White team leading by 4.
Okay, sabi yan.
Ang layo. Sinula. Pass break. Break pass. Nice driving by number 8. Pasok. Wala. Rebound by 8. Pasok by 27. Nice one. Ball, foul. Bola ng puti. Number 12, ball in hand. Drive in, wala, foul. Free throw ba? Hindi, wala. Free throw para sa white team. White team currently leading by 2 points. Unang tira, pasok. Second shot. Pasok pa rin yan. Bakit inabad nyo daw inaabangan sa ilalim pa? 59-55, leading by 4 points. White team. Okay, 2 points. Clean shot ang linis. Para ka ng Choy Altibak. Nice pass from the... Ang ganda ng pasa sa ilalim.
All counted.
Wala sablay. Pasa, number 8. Pasa kay Berardo. 30, 43. Wala, lumagpas. Save. Nice pass. Number 2, nice boys. Nice follow-up yun. Ganda ng follow-up. Ball in hand by Kyle. 61-59. Nice block. Substitution. Pasok si 20 o si 24. Ate ang out, 35. Bola ng puti. Nice pass. Oy, niluwa. Nagkasakit yung ring. Kyle for 3. Wala, ang layo. Okay, rebound by White. 2 points. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. Bola ng team. 2 minutes left into the game. 61-59. White still leading by 2 points. Foul. Foul.
White ball, white ball.
Foul.
White ball, white. Dyan po lang natin.
Ball in hand. Nice driving. Pasok ito, pasok. Pumasok. 1 minute. Oy, dadala sila lang ito. Ay, pasok ay number 8. Ball in hand by number 5, Kyle.
Shot lock.
Shot clock, 5 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Foul. Number 12. Seconds. White leading by 4 points. Isang miracle shot na lang talaga. 3 points, wala. 2 points. Layup, wala pa rin. 3 points by 13, wala. Nine seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,